Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how to stop Chrome from blocking our downloads. So let's go. First of all, you need to go to the Chrome and here you saw the three dots. You just need to click on these three dots and just move down. From here we need to move down to get the setting icons. Just wait. Yeah, here we go. This is our setting button. We just need to click on this setting button and then go to the privacy and the security. And after that, just move down. We need to go to the security. Here is the security button. We just need to click here. And then by default, it's click to enhance protection. We just need to remove this and change this to the no protection. We don't need any protection and just turn off. By following these steps, you simply allow your Chrome to download any video, any softwares, and any application you want to download. So to get more videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech.